Street in Holyoke, Massachusetts. We're looking at the auditorium of the Sacred Heart Church, made in the year 1927. And inside of there is the equivalent of a basketball court in size. In fact, that's what they had it there at one point. Now it's used for some masses when the church went into disrepair. Now the church is abandoned and they're wanting to take it down. This also was a social function hall because it used to be a school here, and it was still a church there. And it became very useful. Now, it was made long after all the other structures. And so the one structure that's not there anymore to its right used to be the Sacred Heart School. And they made that in the early 1880s. Behind it was its convent. And it was served by the Sisters of St. Joseph. The school itself was the most gorgeous of the 5 buildings on this campus. It was a 3-story in height, but it had a very ornate roof to it. People loved going to school here. It was the most populated of all the Catholic schools of Holyoke, and there were many Catholic schools. And then we're going to look now at the back of the church. Why? Because the back of the church has 2 important structures. The one on the left and the one on the right are actually different from each other in use, but architecturally they're both the same. And look, and I've been in there. The one on the left-hand side is a chapel. So it's a very large chapel where you can go and have special functions or go and just during prayer time. And it's a very nice, gorgeous place inside. The one on the right is the sanctuary. That's where the priest gets ready for the Mass and where he keeps the host stored. And there it looks very different from the chapel itself. Now, you can see the back portion of the church. It's a very hard church. And the last thing to point out is look at that steeple. That is the tallest point of any building in Holyoke by about 2 or 3 feet. It was made with long after the church, which was made in 1876. It got its steeple, and I think it was the year 1891. And that steeple has a crucifix on the top that's 17 feet high. It looks big from here, and when we get there, it's 17 feet high, that steeple. So this is the back of Sacred Heart. There's another stop in the front now that you can also look on. Of course, you look at the rectory from there, the front of the church, and also where the convent used to be. So I hope you go on that stop also. That's on Maple Street, and this is on Chestnut Street. Thank you very much for coming.